Hello and welcome to another vlog on our channel. Today we're here at Alton Towers. Hey! And obviously today is going to be a very special vlog because today is Alton Towers fireworks and this is going to be absolutely incredible. Obviously it's today because it's so busy because of the fireworks. Might not get on loads of rides, however, later at 7 o'clock I'm going to show you the fireworks spectacular. It's going to take place here on the lawn. It's going to be absolutely stunning. It's actually the second day of fireworks. I've not seen any videos of like the actual event from yesterday at the time of recording, so I have no idea what's going to happen. I've heard rumours this show utilises drones. Whether those rumours are correct, I have no idea because I've not seen any videos of this year's fireworks, but I'll find out later. Some of you might already know because if you like seen any videos of yesterday's fireworks, obviously yesterday, Friday the 4th, obviously, but I haven't, so this is literally going to be my first time seeing what this year's fireworks is like, whether it has drones or not, like drone technology with like lights on them all in the sky making really cool patterns. So that's going to be really cool. And we're going to try and get as many rides as possible. The first ride we're actually going to is Nemesis. That's the first ride we're going to go on from my last ever ride on Nemesis until it reopens in 2024. So I'll see you when we go towards Nemesis. So we just rode Nemesis twice in one day, like twice within like the space of half an hour. Basically, we went on Nemesis first, right? First ride, it was absolutely brilliant, so fast, and it's running really well. Then we went to Galactica, and that was good. And we went on Nemesis a second time, this time in the main queue, to get all the amazing off-ride footage of it. That was, honestly, it was brilliant. I believe we were in the 5th row that time. It was honestly stunning. And we went on the Blades, and I'm really going to miss Nemesis when it closes, but it's for the greater good to basically double its service life so it can operate for another day. And we're going to go on Skyride now back to Tower Street to get our dinner because it's going to be very busy later. It's not actually particularly busy now, but because it's fireworks, a lot of people will probably be arriving later on in the day to find a spot to see fireworks. So we're going to have a dinner now, and it's going to be very busy. So I'll see you when we go off a Skyride. So we've just ridden Oblivion in Alton Towers. Unfortunately we couldn't get on the Smiler because the queue was about an hour long, so unfortunately we couldn't get on that, but we went on Oblivion and that was absolutely brilliant. I've loved that ride, love it every time. And we're actually just walking past Towers to Dark Forest and Hex and whatnot. I've just seen the setup for fireworks and the amount of stuff they've got there is incredible. They've got so much set up. They've even got some like, they've got loads of lights, fireworks that you can see behind the bushes. It is insane and I cannot wait to see the fireworks spectacular later. But for now I think we're going to go on, I think we could go on Hex, although from here it looks like a massive queue. But if not, I think we might go to like Risa and whatnot. So I'll see you when we've done it. So we've just ridden Hex and Gangster Grind of the ride and they were brilliant. We're actually walking past all the setup for the fireworks and this looks magnificent. All these here are going to launch the fireworks into the sky.
Fireworks?
Oh my word, we even found some firework shrapnel stuff from last night. That looks brilliant. And I've got all the lights and like lasers just on the lake. You can just see it. And there's so much stuff. They've even got some more down here. You can just see them going all along the path next to the lake. Yeah, we're going to see them in action tonight. It's going to look absolutely fantastic, and I will be here to show it you later. So a few hours ago we went on a runaway mine train, and that was really good. Haven't spoken in a while because we just went to have our tea, and we're now waiting at the the front lawns to wait for the fireworks to start. Bearing in mind it's like I think around like 4:45. It's not going to start for another couple of hours. We wanted to get here as early as possible so to make sure it wasn't like massively busy, because normally these fireworks events, literally all of this is just full of it's going to be full of people, and it's massive, and it's going to be amazing. I cannot wait for the fireworks to start, and this is my actual final message to you before the fireworks actually kick off. It's going to be for another couple of hours, and it's going to be so much fun. The rides are still open until around like 7 o'clock when the fireworks commence, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. So obviously the next time you'll see a clip from this vlog will be seeing the fireworks go off, and I will speak to you after the fireworks have taken place.
I'll send an SOS to the world. I'll send an SOS to the world. I hope that someone gets mine. 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 Message in the heart of me.
Nerds. They have to play at the perfect time for it.
I'll send an SOS to the world. I'll send an SOS to the world. I hope that someone gets mine. 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 Message in the heart of it.
monster. And this, here is for your lineup. Nemesis. 13. Rita. Oblivion. Galactica. Wicker Man. And the Smiler. Alton Towers, let me hear you scream! Oh, I can't hear you. We're going to forget about our worries. We're going to forget about our troubles. Because tonight, we are going to blow the roof off! Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Then let's take it away.
It's time to awake the Nemesis monster. Clan of the creature, put your hands in the air and get ready to rock.
Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A guy like you should wear warning. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait to meet it. Baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm
dreams of Alton. Can I get an oh yeah? I don't want to see any of you standing still. So get those arms in the air like you just don't care. Sachet, take it away.
My mama told me when I was young, we're all superstars. She rolled my hair with my lipstick on, in a glass of purple dry.
Will prepare you physically and psychologically for the most intense audio-visual experience ever devised. Don't look down.
And a broken heart would just belong to someone else down there. In my floating castle, I rub shoulders with the stars, but I'm only human, and I'm drifting in the dark. I'm up in space now. Up in space now. I've searched around the universe and been down some black holes. There's nothing but space, man. And I wanna go home. There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a star waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a star waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children use it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie.
Bjornen, people of the forest, make yourselves known and come together. For tonight, we light the flames and summon the spirit of the Wicker Man.
My name is Kelman. Dr. Kelman. Why so glum? It's about time the Ministry of Joy put a smile on your face.
The skies are gonna clear up. Put on a happy face. Brush off the clouds and cheer up. Put on a happy.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for joining us here tonight and allowing us to take you on this musical journey. We're almost out of time, but would you like one more? I said, would you like one more? It's time to unleash the headliner. The one, the only, Alton Towers! A celebration of everyone coming together, including you.
I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream. Getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky.
So I've just witnessed the spectacle that was the Alton Towers fireworks, and oh my goodness, that is one of the most majestic things I have ever seen in my life. I'm going to say that rivals the Disney fireworks that you see. Honestly, I'll never see anything like that again. There's so much going on in that. The fireworks, the lasers, the lights, the massive screens, and the new drones as well they had at the start. They've never done that before. That was absolutely, honest. I'm speechless, honestly. That's how amazing it is. I really like, honestly, it must be so advanced how they did those drones to program them to fly at specific points in the sky to make different patterns. It was spot on. Obviously, if you've booked to go tomorrow, or by the time you're watching this today, it's amazing. Obviously, it's going to be so much fun. It's one of the best fireworks shows. It's the best fireworks show I've ever seen. And obviously the show's ended. Everyone's leaving. Well, everyone's either leaving or going that way towards Forbidden Valley, which we're actually going to go next to try and hopefully, fingers crossed, get a final night ride on Nemesis. So if we do, I'm not sure if we will, because it might have a massive queue, because it's a night ride, and literally Nemesis' final day of operation is tomorrow. But if we do, or if we don't, I'll see you when we've come off of it. So that is it for this vlog here at Alton Towers for a fireworks event. It's been an absolutely phenomenal day here at Alton Towers. The best bit, obviously, by far, was the fireworks display just there. There's so much smoke literally down there because all the fireworks going off over the course of 25 minutes. Literally, by the time it finished, there was so much smoke we couldn't see the towers, the lake, couldn't see the stage literally just off to the right. We could barely even see like the massive like structures that are causing all the lights and screens and whatnot, and we could not see Tower Street at all. It was so atmospheric. It was literally just so amazing, and I loved it. There's nothing else like it, and I cannot wait for next year's fireworks. So that is it for this vlog here at Alton Towers. This is the final vlog for the official season at Alton Towers. However, we'll hopefully be back for Alton Towers Christmas. I might film it then, so I'll see you when that happens. So stay tuned for that. I want to thank you all very much for watching this video, and if you enjoy it, then please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment with a like. See you in the next video. Bye.